Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a Merry Christmas poem. Christmas bells are ringing, joyful voices singing. The world is full of cheer, the happiest time of year. The snow is softly falling, loved ones close and calling. Gift beneath the tree, a season of harmony. Candles glowing bright, stars twinkle in the night. May love and peace stay near. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.